the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and it is 3:20 in the morning, Friday morning, and we are on our way to Wooptopia in Arizona. So I hope you will enjoy, or not enjoy, I hope you will join me on the journey here through the next few days, and we'll get a lot of good coverage and a lot of good footage for you guys. So stay tuned.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality.
What's up, guys? So we made it here. We're in Tempe, Arizona, and we are on day number 1 of Wooptopia 2020, the winter edition. So today is the individual racing. The check-ins are 9 to 9:45, and then 10 to 10:45, and then after that, then we will be going to team racing tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy the footage today.
Lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world. This is the beginning of meditation. Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event. This is a disaster, for as a result of confusing the real world of nature with mere science, we are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up. What is reality? Obviously, no one can say, because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is
Alright guys, so I placed 4th overall in the advanced class. So I'm very happy, considering last time I came in the summertime, I lost the first race, lost the second race, I was out quickly, so I am very, very happy. Just jazzed. So tomorrow is team racing, so we're going to be up early. I'm going to be flying with my boy, Bumper. So guys, hope you enjoy the action tomorrow.
It cannot be explained in words.
Alright guys, so it is day number 2. We are doing some team racing here. They changed the track up. It's an AK track, so there's a lot of turns in it. It's a tricky track, but it is a fun track. So we'll see how today goes. Hey everybody, so that concludes Whooptopia 2020, the Winter Edition. So individual racing, I placed 4th place overall in the advanced, and in team racing, I'm not sure what we placed. We didn't do great, but we had fun. That's what all Whooptopia is about. So thank you very much to my sponsors, Full Send FPV, Alien Whoop, and also Mile High Multicopters. So thank you very much to my sponsors for keeping me in the air and flying. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out. And as always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys next time. Have an awesome day.